Okay guys, PBA update at may isang company na gustong pumasok sa Asia's oldest pro league, itong Philippine Basketball Association. Ano ba ito? 13 team or gusto nilang pumasok sa PBA, makipag-usap sa isang koponan na bilhin yung kanilang prangkisa. So, ito yung balita mula sa Tiebreaker Times. So, Tiebreaker Times, legit to na sports news. So, ito, Star Horse, Star Horse Shipping Lines in talks to acquire isang PBA franchise na sinasabi nilang farm team, mula sa farm team. So, Star Horse Shipping Lines is in discussions with both Terra Firma and the PBA regarding a potential franchise acquisition. So, Spin.ph first reported Star Horse interest in entering the PBA, while multiple sources confirmed to Tiebreaker Times that the company is specifically looking to purchase the Terra Firma franchise. So, yung Terra Firma pala, gusto nilang kausapin na bilhin yung kanilang franchise at makapasok sa PBA itong Star Horse. So, yung Star Horse, ano kaya itong Star Horse? Isa itong parang shipping lines ito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Kasi ngayon ko lang narinig ito eh. Star Horse Shipping. Kasi ang alam kong mga shipping, yung mga Tugo, no? Yung mga Sulpicio lines. So, ito yung Star Horse. Yan. Medyo blurred lang guys ito oh. Yan oh. Ang ganda pala oh. Star Horse Shipping Lines. So, yan yung Star Horse Shipping Line. So, itong team na ito, yung company na ito, nag-sponsor sila ng basketball. Meron silang basketball team. So, babasahin ko, saan kaya sila sumasali? Sa MPBL, no? Yung Star Force Basilan. So, babasahin natin to. According to sources, Star Force representatives met Jeep. So, nakipag-usap na yung may-ari ng Star Force dito sa Terra Firma ng governor na si Bobby Rosales last weekend. And si PBA Commissioner Billy Marshall earlier this week to discuss the potential acquisition. The last time PBA a franchise changed hands was in 2022 when Converge acquired the Alaska Aces for an estimate of 100 million. So, yung last time na isang PBA franchise ay binili ay itong Alaska Aces at binili ito ng Converge Fiber Xers. So, yan. At hindi ba ito, ang tanong dyan, kung papasok yung Star Force, gusto nilang pumasok sa PBA, ang tanong dyan, hindi ba conflict ito sa Northport Batang Pier? Kasi merong team sa PBA na may related din sa shipping line, itong Northport, no? So, according dito, similar to Alaska Converge transaction, which required Converge to secure approval from TNT's parent company, itong PLDT Smart. Star Force will also need to go through a similar process as it operates in the same industry as Northport parent company Manila North Harbor Port. So, kailangan ng Star Force dito makipag-usap, no? Dito sa Northport para i-allow sila na maging parte sila dito sa PBA. So, kailangan ng approval ng coming from Northport Management. Founded in 2008 by the late Victor Reyes, Star Horse Shipping Line is a domestic shipping company based in Lucena, Quezon. So, nag-base itong domestic shipping company sa Lucena, Quezon. So, following Reyes passing in 2016, his wife Marian and son Dominic took over the business. So, sila yung may-ari ng shipping lines, itong pamilyang Reyes. For the negotiation, Star Force has enlisted three key figures, Jackson Chua, Bernard Yang, and Melo Navarro. So, kumuha sila ng mga tatlong figures, no? Para rin siguro, no, sila yung mga subject, no, para pumasok diyan sa PBA, no, para maging parte sila, no, bilang isang bagong franchise team. Chua building, Chua, a budding entrepreneur, previously managed Basilan in PBL. So, nag-participate na sila sa MPBL, which is making a return in regional league this year after 4-year absence. Yang and Navarro are meanwhile current directors in the University of Colleges Athletic League, UCAL. All three also part of management team, yung Star Horse Basilan in the MPBL. So, if the purchase goes through, their Pirma decade-long run in the PBA will come to end. So, sana nga, bilhin nila yung Terra Firma. Kasi yung Terra Firma, pumasok sa PBA noong 2014 as Kia. At since 2014 until now, itong Terra Firma ay lagi sila bilang worst team. So, laughing stock sila dyan sa PBA at laging kulelat, no? Lagi silang nasa worst at pumasok lang sa playoffs twice. So, kaya itong team na ito ay binabatikos ng mga maraming fans dahil yung mga kanilang star players at yung mga first round picks, no, ay pinamimigay lang nila diyan sa malalakas na teams, lalo na sa SMC teams gaya ng Ginebra at San Miguel. Kaya kung it's possible, mawawala na ba itong mga tinatawag na farm teams, no? Nababawasan na if itong Terra Firma ay mawala na dyan sa PBA at bilhin na ng Star Force. Hopefully, itong Star Force hindi rin ito magiging farm team. Katulad ng itong Jeep, no? Hopefully, hindi maging ganun yung Star Force kung sakali pumasok sila dyan sa PBA. So, yan yung masasabi ko dito. So, Star Force, no? Potential PBA team. So, maraming salamat at kita-kits sa next video. At don't forget to subscribe JLA Sports Basketball.